So you guys, because you're student leaders, were recently given the opportunity to be on stage and interview Brian Moynihan in our first Dean Symposium for the School of Business. What was it like preparing for that event?
I think for me, I thought it was just a very exciting experience because, I mean, to bring a Bank of America CEO here was a huge thing for Providence, and being able to kind of sit the three of us with Caitlin and kind of work on coming up with questions and going back and forth and just kind of seeing like what would be best for even the student body to hear and for the first Dean Symposium. And I don't know, it was a very exciting experience.
Now, you guys got that opportunity because you've been really exceptional student leaders. You're a senior, Madeline, and you are as well, Chris? Or are you a junior? You're a junior. So are you a finance major?
Yes, I'm a finance major and accounting minor.
Great, good. And Chris, you a finance major too?
Yes, I'm also a finance major and accounting minor.
Great. So it sounds like as a finance major, there are a lot of co-curricular opportunities for you to be involved with. But say a little bit about the Game Forum and about SMIF and the Investment Club.
So last year I actually had the privilege of going to the Game Forum, which was extended to several students in the business school. We went down to New York City for a few days, and we were able to attend some keynote speaker sessions with a lot of prominent industry leaders, as well as some breakout sessions that were a little more career specific.
And how about you, Madeline?
Well, currently I'm in the Smith Fund class. And you go up there, you pitch a stock, you learn about stocks, and they tell you kind of the real world experience of what it's both going to be like. And they just tell you how it is, and you learn so much because they really want to help you and kind of help build you as a professional when you are going to be out in the working world.
So what's the, of all these leadership opportunities that you've had, what memory will you take with you and cherish the most from your leadership?
I think what's been really nice is with my involvement with Future Fire as executive, it's been changing and evolving, and I think that has been a great opportunity because that opportunity has led me to a lot of other opportunities. But so by being the president, I got to interview the Bank of America CEO, and I think it's opened a lot of doors for me. I also have been really just enjoying just being a finance major and getting to be involved, of getting to go to the Game Forum and participating in the Smith Fund class. Like, I think it's just a combination of all of them together and getting as much real world experience as I can.
I'll be putting together the whole Urban Action Week actually this year, and then I am intending to run for president of the investment clubs.
So what advice do you have for freshmen based on your own experience rising through student leadership at the School of Business?
I think that just really trying to get involved and kind of just pursue every different aspect, and then I think through there you'll kind of find where you really feel like you fit and find your interest that way. So just don't close any doors, just be open to every possible opportunity that comes your way.
My advice would be to just get involved early and as soon as you can. The way I became involved with Investment Club was I saw the table at the involvement fair freshman year, and I knew that I wanted to do something with finance, but I wasn't sure what. And through that I've been able to work my way onto the executive board, and that's provided me with a lot of opportunities at the school.
Great, awesome. Well, thank you guys for stopping by at Fireside Chat with the Dean.